Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm Jenny Arnold from PPM Works, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you one of the new release items available in the August release, August 2026 release for OnePlan. I'm using a stage environment here that we used on our last release. We do this for each release so that we can share with you the new things that are coming thanks to OnePlan always adding new items. And so what we're going to do is go through this new feature. And right now this is showing a single page here in our details page. Previously, in a particular plan, you could only see the details page as a single page with different sections. The sections can be collapsed and you can set them so that they can open in a collapsed manner if you prefer as well. But now the added benefit is that similar to Project Online, we're going to have the ability to have different quote unquote pages here. So I'm going to show you how this gets configured. Right now we're on what was this original single detail page that they have now added a page name to, which is called Overview. So I'm going to click Configure here, and I'm going to show you we're on the Overview page right now. I'm going to Manage Pages, and I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to call it Demonstration Page. Now I'm going to click Done. So now I can switch to the demonstration page, and I can begin to design it just as the previous page was created. So I'm going to add a section here. I'm going to add some elements. I'll put in the project name and the project manager, perhaps the business unit. You know, sometimes that takes a couple of tries if you don't get it just right. And if I wanted to add another section, say for the business case, I could do that here, and I'll put the business case below. As a reminder, if you're looking to name these sections, you click on these three dots, you click Edit. We'll call that Information. A new section, we'll call this Business Case. Update, and now I'm going to save. And I think personally this should say okay, but it says cancel. We're going to close out of this. And now we have more than one page available here. Isn't that great? You can decide the icons. You can name these whatever you like. You can add as many as you like. And the benefit as well, as you can see, is you can have duplicate fields. So just because the name field is on the overview page doesn't mean that it cannot be on any other page. So if you have particular things that you're looking for your team to focus on, you can just advise them to go to those particular pages, get their part of the management of the project done just on those pages in a much more focused manner. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, reach out to us at info@ppmworks.com.